Hello, I'm Mary Kurzweil with the CattleFax Closing Bell. Today's Closing Bell is sponsored by Zoetis. GainSmart Wheat is a free choice vitamin and mineral supplement for stocker cattle, designed to balance basic nutrient needs to maximize efficient gain on wheat or small grain pasture. The latest USDA trade data was released today and showed that demand for U.S. beef remains very strong internationally. Beef exports in June were up 18% or 48 million pounds compared to a year ago. This puts exports at about 117 million pounds or 7% year-to-date above last year. June beef exports were led by Japan, South Korea, and then China. At the same time, beef imports moved below year-ago levels for the first time this year. Imports from Brazil and New Zealand saw the largest decreases. Pork exports remain slow, still down about 18%, or 684 million pounds compared to a year ago. Exports to Mexico have remained strong all year, but China continues to stay out of the U.S. pork market. Pork imports remained elevated, up 24% in June compared to a year ago, and up 43%, or 220 million pounds, year-to-date. Broiler exports came in about 7.5% below last year, but have remained strong above the 5-year average for most of the year. Turning towards this week's markets, there was moderate fed cattle cash trade in the north at mostly 140 to 144 live, which is steady to $2 firmer than last week. Moderate volumes were traded in the south at 135 to 136. This is steady to $1 higher. Live cattle futures contracts moved higher on the week, with the December contract gaining $2. Strength in the live cattle futures provided a boost to the feeder cattle futures as well, with many of the fall contracts adding about $3 compared to last week. Seasonally, feeder cattle will continue to strengthen, but will likely have a lot of volatility in reaction to corn and fed cattle prices going forward. The beef cutout saw small declines this week, but with the approach of Labor Day should begin to move higher over the next few weeks as demand strengthens. Thanks for watching, and remember to visit CattleFax.com to become a member and receive the latest market news and analysis.